In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off leagues in Duolingo. If you find the weekly race and leaderboard a bit distracting, or you just want a more private learning experience, this quick walkthrough will help you switch it off without affecting your lessons or your progress. Start by opening your browser and going to the Duolingo website. Make sure you're signed into the account you use for learning. Once you're on the main Learn page, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the sidebar. Hover your mouse over the option labeled More. This expands an additional menu so you can access account tools that aren't immediately visible on the main screen. From that expanded panel, click on Settings to open your account preferences. Inside Settings, you'll see several sections for different parts of your account. Choose Privacy Settings. This is where Duolingo groups controls related to what others can see about your learning activity. Give the page a moment to load fully so you can view all available options. On the Privacy Settings page, find the option labeled Make My Profile Public. This toggle determines whether other users can see your profile and activity, and it's the key to turning off leagues. Click the toggle to turn it off. When it's off, your profile becomes private. You don't need to save anything manually here. Duolingo applies the change right away. With your profile set to private, you'll be removed from leagues and leaderboards. That means you won't appear in weekly competitions, and you won't see yourself ranked against other learners. This change is focused on visibility and gamified competition only. Your courses, streak, XP, and lesson history remain intact, and you can keep learning exactly as before, just without the pressure of the leaderboard. If the interface looks a little different on your screen, make sure you're on the Duolingo website and that the left sidebar is expanded. Depending on your display size, the More menu may show as an icon until you hover over it. The path stays the same: More, then Settings, then Privacy Settings, and finally Toggle Off. Make My Profile Public. You can always reverse this later. If you decide you miss the extra motivation from competition, return to the same Privacy Settings page and toggle Make My Profile Public back on to rejoin leagues. That's all there is to it. By adjusting a single privacy setting, you can keep your learning focused and distraction-free while retaining all your progress. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.